So hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just got a new screen recorder that actually works. Okay, so RJ, are you playing? It's on Roblox, right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna join RJ because why the frick not? And I'm trying to come up with a new intro because I need an intro. I don't have an intro. I just say, hello guys, welcome back to another video. But that's usual YouTuber stuff at my right? And today, so I'm on a laptop and I can actually record stuff. See? Like I told you guys I would. Okay, home. Yay. Hey, of course, frick. Okay, my sister's playing wood chopping simulator. My brother is playing hole in the wall. And I want to play hole in the wall too, so I am playing hole in the wall. Okay. So RJ say hello. Hello. Requesting game is full. What the frick, man? RJ can't play. Oh well. I want to move this. Okay, there we go. So, oh, my friend. Let's go. Can I move this anywhere? I cannot. I want to check with him. This is my friend. Chat. How am I supposed to give him that one? Give him that one. Yes. Okay, so I guess it's probably boring. You guys have probably, some of you have already left. I'm shooting him down there. Because I know. I'm recording a video. Let RJ do it. I don't. Oh, fine. RJ, you make some content while I'm gone. Make some content while I'm gone. Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Zoe's sister. I mean brother. That's how about we play the Exploration Obby V.1? Frick up, why does that have to do this? It doesn't have to do that on mobile. Did a freaking request into the freaking server. Why can't I freaking go and freaking play freaking second and freaking click on it? Okay. I've never even played this. What the? Oh, okay. Simple. Jump over the red laser. Are we in a bank now? Touch these nuts. Touch these nuts. All around me are familiar faces. Put that in right there. Fuck. You son of a bitch. Okay, how about we try this? Try this again. I can't make it. I could fuck. I will fucking give you fucking Lamo piece of fucking bacon here shit. Why do I suck at logging on PC? Hurry the fuck up, you little fucking scrub. You fucking scrub, you need to fucking hurry up before
You're a fucking scrub. You fucking digital and fucking cat. You can go any fucking castle in that. Fucking scrub. Fucking scrub. I'm fucking better than you. You wanna fucking 1v1 fucking me? I'm a fucking pro. You wanna fucking do it? I'm already on fucking cantinsert. This is fucking easy. It's so fucking thick at it. It's so fucking. So fucking thick it wouldn't fit in my small balls. It wouldn't fit in my small balls. Everyone thinks my content is better than yours.
It's not getting me.
Someone came in and commented and said that you're better than your sister.
You liar. No, it's not even lying. Okay, so I'm back. I am now controlling the laptop. Well, everyone knows I'm better at parkour than you are. What game are you playing? Version 1. What do you want to play, RJ? RJ, what do you want to play? RJ!
What?
Stop! You're a bacon hair too.
No, I'm not. You can check out my account.
You were a bacon hair when you joined.
Yeah, very good. But now I'm a rich boy.
He's not a rich boy. He's got all the free stuff like me. Why you don't want to know? You don't want them to hear the truth?
I'm going to keep Grandma's house. Like, it's like the best one.
You know what? Let's play some Robloxy in high school. Because why not?
What?
You got them later too. Jingle bells, jingle bells, ringing. Oh wait, okay, so I was scrolling through Instagram and I'm a fan of the app now, and I look and I see, I literally freaking see. Okay, it goes like this. Jingle bells, Michael Smith, Afma died today. Every time inside, Afma all the way. Hey! It was on Instagram. Oh, look at you, little noob. I step on you. Hater. Okay, so as you know, I am horrible at games like this. I can't seem to roleplay at all. It's just like, whoa, what the frick happened to this? I don't like this game anymore. Freaking Robloxy in high school, I'm freaking leaving because, like, it's updated it so much, I hate it. Stop sounding like Siri. I want to play a game. RJ, what game should we play? I want to play Work at a Pizza Place. I'm going to play. I want to play like a core game, but I don't feel like it because I feel like I've stayed up the whole night and I got scared over. Wait, here, I'll show you guys the video. I'll put down who it belonged to. YouTube. Oh, I think that's all. I do not know. Okay, so I'm on my brother's account, so I'm gonna have to look it up because I can't my receipt. Pink, sharing, eye glitch. And I don't know why I got freaked out. It was like gotcha life too, so it shouldn't be that freaking scary. Okay, this is it. I don't understand why I'm so freaking scared.
No idea what it is.
This isn't it. This is two. Skip it.
You're not explaining.
Okay, so she found this in the Christmas update. So this is like the recent one, and it's like really scary, man. Having said that, there was a clip. Okay, so so apparently this is the girl she's been working on. Speed edit. Blah 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 blah. So she scrolls through and she finds frickin' this. She found a pink eye. The weird thing that I couldn't choose between other eyes. Switched to another character, and when I came back, the color palette changed for the clothes and accessories. But this was a previous thing. All the spots of players got changed. So they're all the frickin' same person. Even the game frozen and the character staring right at you. This like tripped me out so freaking bad. I've also found another thing about this. Stop it! I'm a good content. I have good content. Oh, make sure to go check out Penguinator IT. Oh wait, that's his username on Roblox. Make sure to go check out the MLG Penguin. Link in description.
I actually have ETA videos on my account.
No, like, okay, so she's checking every one to see if this eye will appear in anyone. But it won't. And it was only this. Okay, so if I go back.
It's so laggy.
It's only this freaking character.
My phone is fast.
Also, a video is coming out soon of Control.
Weird. Why does my
It didn't work for any of them because. Wait, I didn't see the last part. I'm gonna see.
the taxi has not? Black.
I didn't work any of them because of the straight eyes. So, they. Oh my freaking god.
The taxi has my
This is cool.
It has hydraulics. The game is laggy. What is going on with the same thing?
Still there. Okay, I want to see if this is actually true. So where'd my phone go? Mooney needs to stop taking drugs. And dude, this happened after I found me, so screw you. But the most important thing is, Merry Christmas. Okay, so this was before Christmas. Right now, it's 3 days after Christmas. No, it's not 3 days after. Oh my god. It's January 3rd, so happy 2019, people! So yeah, that's that. Oh god, stories in those. So I've seen those. So it's like really weird, and I want to see if this actually works. So I want to get God's alive. So you guys can see it. Got your life after this display. I need this one. You see by my. So I have this on my phone, and I haven't seen a glitch like this unless it's like just me, and I don't know. Freaking download. This is. Oh god. Here's the over. It says please. Nothing. Just take me to the download. Download. What do you? Okay. So download it, okay? So